Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today we're tackling a common car repair that can save you money and keep you comfortable, replacing a faulty AC compressor in a 2012 Toyota Corolla. Your car's AC compressor is like its heart, pumping refrigerant throughout the system to keep you cool on scorching days. When it fails, you'll be left sweating and uncomfortable. But don't worry, replacing it yourself is totally doable with the right guidance. Before we get started, how do you know if your AC compressor needs replacing? Common signs include warm air blowing from the vents, strange noises when the AC is on, and a noticeable refrigerant leak. If you suspect your compressor is on the fritz, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the negative battery cable before working on your car's electrical system, and make sure you have proper ventilation when working with refrigerants. Now let's gather our tools and get started. Section 2, Gearing Up, Tools and Parts You'll Need. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools and parts. Having everything on hand will make the process much smoother. Here's what you'll need. Tools: a ratchet and socket set, wrenches of various sizes, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, an AC refrigerant recovery machine, an AC system vacuum pump, a torque wrench, safety glasses, and work gloves. Parts: a new AC compressor compatible with your 2012 Corolla, a new AC receiver dryer, new AC O-rings, AC system oil, PAG oil, check your owner's manual for the correct type and amount, and refrigerant, R134A for most 2012 Corollas. It's always a good idea to double-check that you have the correct parts for your specific Corolla model. Now that we've got our tools and parts ready, let's move on to removing that old compressor. Section 3. Out with the old step-by-step guide to removing the faulty compressor. With our tools and parts ready, let's dive into removing the old AC compressor. Step 1. Safety first. Disconnect the negative battery cable before proceeding. This will help prevent electrical mishaps. Also, ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area. Step 2. Refrigerant recovery. Before disconnecting any AC lines, you'll need to safely evacuate the refrigerant from the system using an AC refrigerant recovery machine. This is crucial to avoid harming the environment and yourself. Step 3. Accessing the compressor. Locate the AC compressor on your Corolla's engine. Depending on your engine size, it may be located on the lower front or side of the engine block. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location. You may need to remove some engine components or covers to gain clear access. Step 4. Disconnecting the lines. Carefully disconnect the AC lines connected to the compressor. Use a wrench to hold the line fitting while loosening the compressor fitting. Be prepared for some residual refrigerant to escape, even after recovery. Step 5. Removing the belt. Loosen the tensioner pulley and remove the serpentine belt from the AC compressor pulley. Step 6. Freeing the compressor. Remove the bolts securing the AC compressor to the engine. Once the bolts are out, carefully wiggle the compressor free from its mounting brackets. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the old AC compressor. Now let's get that shiny new one installed. Section 4. In with the new installing your new AC compressor and enjoying the cool air. Now that the old compressor is out, let's install the new one and get your AC blowing cold again. Step 1. Preparing the new compressor. Before installing the new compressor, you'll need to add the correct amount and type of AC system oil, PAG oil, to it. Consult your owner's manual or the new compressor's instructions for the specific amount. Step 2. Mounting the new compressor. Carefully align the new compressor with its mounting brackets and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Step 3. Connecting the lines. Reconnect the AC lines to the new compressor, using new O-rings to ensure a proper seal. Tighten the fittings securely but avoid over-tightening. Step 4. Installing the belt. Reinstall the serpentine belt onto the new compressor pulley and adjust the tensioner pulley to the correct tension. Step 5. Vacuum and charge. Using an AC system vacuum pump, evacuate the entire AC system for at least 30 minutes to remove any moisture or air. Once the system is properly evacuated, charge it with the correct amount of refrigerant, R134A for most 2012 Corollas, according to your owner's manual. Step 6. Testing. Reconnect the negative battery cable and start your Corolla. Turn on the AC to its maximum setting and check for cold air blowing from the vents. Also, listen for any unusual noises coming from the new compressor. If everything sounds and feels good, congratulations. You've successfully replaced your AC compressor. Remember, this guide provides a general overview. Always refer to your owner's manual and follow specific instructions for your 2012 Toyota Corolla model. If you're unsure about any step, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Stay cool out there.